The profession of pharmacy is commonly considered one of the most trusted professions. If there's one thing I've learned in my 23 years as executive director of the Ohio Pharmacists Association, it's that pharmacists could not be more deserving of that designation. And since the founding of OPA in 1879, we've striven to enhance and protect this trustworthy profession. But as most pharmacists can tell you, if there's one thing you can trust more than the pharmacist, it's that you can always trust the fact that this profession is constantly changing.
I started practicing pharmacy in 1995, and in 16 years, I've seen this profession change more than I could have ever imagined.
The financial side of it's really changed dramatically. That has also changed the way we practice.
With every challenge and opportunity that presents itself, OPA is there to meet it head on.
Patient needs are growing exponentially, and along with this growth comes government rules and regulations.
When I graduated from the college, the law book in the state of Ohio was that thick. Now it's about that thick.
Today, at any given point, we could have anywhere from 4 to 6 pharmacy issues on the table, and that's just at the state level. OPA sorts through the myriad of matters that impact your ability to practice and works to protect your livelihood while enhancing the profession and healthcare as a whole.
I think OPA has done a tremendous job on the state level to really be that hawk on the legislation that has come through our state.
I think people may not appreciate how much of an advocate they have been at the national level.
OPA stands up for the pharmacists out in the field who can't go out and meet their legislators to the degree we probably should.
I work 40 hours a week. I hope I don't have to work another 40 hours to make sure my profession's getting taken care of.
They're able to go through the legislative gobbledygook that we have to really know and understand.
They are the voice of pharmacy in the state of Ohio.
With more than 3,000 members and one of the highest attended state pharmacy conferences in the country, it's a good indicator of the impact that OPA has. The continuing education at the conferences and in the monthly Ohio Pharmacist Journal is consistently sought after by other states.
Some of the most solid educational experiences that have kept me most up to date have come out of OPA.
I was just amazed at how few staff do so much and how much this work goes into, for example, a journal.
I know that I don't have to go out there doing my own research, that there's people at OPA that are doing that for me.
Another value of OPA is the annual conference. It's a great way yearly to stay on top of the latest topics within the profession of pharmacy, listen to some great speakers.
OPA works to expand opportunities within the profession and to also equip pharmacists with the tools they need to meet the growing needs of our patients. OPA fought for the legislation that allowed pharmacists to immunize patients in Ohio. Then OPA was there to train the pharmacists so that they could successfully perform their new duties.
10 years ago, we weren't able to administer vaccines. Now, pharmacists and interns administer vaccines.
OPA really got it done. I mean, I think we were one of the earliest states to allow pharmacists to administer immunizations.
It's a new thing, relatively speaking, for our profession to vaccinate, but right now it's our standard.
When we're talking about, immunizations or medication therapy management services, we are not just talking about it, but we're going out and we're executing it.
As most of our active members will tell you, OPA adds value.
The value of OPA is they really put the profession of pharmacy first.
The Ohio Pharmacists Association provides a unified voice, whether it be retail, independent, nuclear, or hospital pharmacy. They represent all of us as pharmacists.
The Board of Pharmacy protects the public. OPA protects the pharmacists.
It's great to know that someone's got my back.
It's given me more resources, more tools, and professional and social outlets that I wouldn't have otherwise had.
And that leads to just lifelong relationships that you can't put a value to. That's incredible.
OPA kind of holds your hand and shows you what pharmacy has to offer and how they can help you become the pharmacist you want to be.
OPA is job insurance. Every year you get insurance for your car and your home. You probably even have liability insurance. But what insurance do you have for your job, making sure it will always be there? OPA is that insurance. Protect the investment in your degree with an OPA membership.
Certainly, the value of being a member of OPA outweighs many times the cost.
Simply put, the Ohio Pharmacists Association is what its name indicates. We're an association of Ohio pharmacists working on behalf of Ohio pharmacists. We invite all pharmacists to join us as we work to improve patient outcomes and strengthen the profession of pharmacy.